Hi everyone, it's Miss Allie with Pickerington Public Library Youth Services, and today we are going to be learning how to make our very own dancing robot out of the following materials. You will be receiving a paper cut bought instruction sheet, and with it you will be getting a paper cup. You will get, what are these called? A pipe cleaner. A pipe cleaner, a battery. This is a CR2032. It's a 3-volt. It'll be included in your kit though. And we'll also have some wiggly eyes and a motor. And then some nylon conductive tape. Again, this is all going to be included in your kit. Now, what you're going to need at home, is materials you'll need. You're going to need some glue of some kind or tape, some kind of marker to draw a smiley face or some kind of face on your robot, and maybe a pair of scissors to be able to cut the pipe cleaner. I haven't decided if I'm going to cut those or not yet. So these are going to be available in the make and take STEAM kits to be available the last Saturday in November, Saturday the 28th of November. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see on our sheet, it's going to have the instructions on the bottom. This is going to sound complicated, but actually be really easy. So I didn't include this because I'm going to try and do this before I send them home. But the first thing I'm going to do is just make 2 little cuts. And if I don't do this to send it with you, you could do this with your scissors at home. So I'm just making 2 little slits on either side. And this is going to be for where our pipe cleaner is going to go through to make our robot arms. So now I'm all done with this sharp object, and for kids, this is not an object that you can use. This is definitely one for adult supervision. Let your grown-up at home help you with that. Okay, now I'm going to use my scissors to cut my pipe cleaner in 2. So these are going to make the arms of our robot. Okay, so now we're going to start by turning our cup upside down. Or dropping it. Okay, so this part, the open part, is actually going to be going on the bottom. So our closed part will be on top. Now, your motor that's going to come is going to have a little sticky back. So all you have to do is peel off that backing so that you have your sticky back here. And we're going to place it onto our cup, about 1/3 of the way from the bottom. So the black side is the side you want to be able to see. The sticky side is the side we're going to press into our cup. Now, as you can see, there's 2 wires coming out of our cup. You just want to make sure that they stay separate, okay? So next up, we're going to get some of our maker tape. This tape allows for the electricity to move from one piece to the other. So with our tape here, it's got a little white backing, and this is going to be the hardest part of the whole project, and that is to get the paper backing off of our tape. Okay, so now we're going to take our silver tape, our maker tape here, and we're going to cover, see my red wire here? I am going to take this tape and I'm going to cover that red wire, and I'm going to have some that comes over to the top here. And then I'm just going to tape it to the top of the cup. Okay, so we've got our motor and then 1 wire covered by the tape going up to the top. And notice we still have 1 wire hanging out. That's okay. We are going to get to that. Now, with a smaller piece of tape, And again, peeling it is honestly the hardest part. This piece of tape might even be a little bit too big, but we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it up here on the top. We're gonna cross it. So my tape pieces here are a little bit too long, but it doesn't matter. So it's crossing here like that. Next, we're gonna take another little strip of tape and we're gonna make this strip of tape, we're gonna make a loop with it. Okay, so to make the loop, you get your sticky side. We're just gonna fold it over and then fold it over onto itself again so that we now have a little loop, okay? See my little loop? So I'm gonna place that loop right here in the middle of our cup. It wants to stick to my fingers. Okay, so now that I have it on there, I've got my loop. This is where we're gonna place our battery. Take it out of the package here. Okay, and then all we're gonna do is boop, put it on top. And I'm just gonna kind of go from the inside, put my finger and then push on the top, just try and make it stick to that loop there, okay? Now we're stuck. Before I finish with the rest of the maker tape, so this is the motor, and what it's gonna do, the battery and the motor are gonna talk to each other and send electricity to each other. So once I stick some more maker tape on this last wire, our robot is gonna be ready to dance and move. So before we do that, let's go ahead and decorate our little robot. So I'm gonna take our little pipe cleaners. Remember those slits I made earlier? So I'm just gonna slide one end there, make a loop, slide another end down there. Now I've got one of my arms. And I'm gonna do that again on this side. Find my slits that I made. Put it pretty close to the wire without knowing it. That might not be too good. Okay, so now we've got our arms. We need our eyes. Hopefully my glue will work. Okay, so now I'm just using like Elmer's glue. So my eyes, since they won't dry right away, they might want to slide around. You could use tape for this. Where's my other eyeball? I'm losing my eyeballs. At least I'm not losing my marbles. Someone will think that's funny. Okay. I'm putting my eyeballs on and see they're really wiggly because that tape, that glue is still nice and super wet. There we go. Get my eyes on there. Okay. So now I'm going to take my marker and we're just going to draw a silly face, maybe just like a crazy mouth, whatever kind of mouth you want, maybe a smiley face, maybe a frowny face, maybe a crazy tongue sticking out face. That's up to you. So now our face is all done. We have our arms. So our robot is ready to rock and roll. So we're gonna finish up here by adding our last strip of maker tape. If I can get this piece separated from its backing. There we go. Okay, so with that last piece, so I've got my second wire here. We are then going to take our tape and cover that last bit of wire. Okay, so my other wire, turn it so you can kind of see. It doesn't want to focus. Is behind that piece of tape now. So I'm going to push that down and tape it up. And then I am going to put my piece of tape up here on the top. And my wire is not covered, so it is not dancing. And that's okay. That might happen to you too. So I need to tuck it underneath more. See if I can show you. I don't know if it'll focus enough, but there's this tiny piece of wire that's sticking out. So if this happens to you, it's okay. You know what to do. Cover that up. All right. Okay, so with our last bit of tape, we've got our second wire covered here. So now we're going to just put it on top. Our robot's ready to go. So I'm going to put them down to show you. You're so fun. And to turn them off, you simply take the tape off and you're ready to go. So have fun and be creative.